Yo guys, what's good with y'all, man? Today we got a special video. We are introducing a brand new car to the channel, and I honestly could not be happier to show you guys this car and to bring this car along on this channel. The two just got cleaned. She's looking really good. I'm gonna turn the camera around to show y'all real quick. It is Saturday today. She just got cleaned. She got waxed last week and she looked really good. I'm gonna insert a clip right now. I actually took one for you guys, but just didn't upload it. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. I just got a detail. She's waxed and everything. So not really trying to drive it all that much right now. It's really clean. It's like fucking, it's like a brand new car right now. Oh yeah, also I put me and my boy Ant, the dude with the 335, wrapped this in carbon fiber. So which, by the way, let me know you guys think of this carbon fiber. It looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, it has like dimension to it, low key, so it doesn't look bad. And then we did it on the other side too. But anyway, back to the present day. We got a nice, exciting video for you guys today. We are actually gonna be introducing the brand new car. As you guys see by the title, you already know that. And it is actually a really, really pretty car. So I'm gonna go ahead, hop up in it, and I'm gonna go head to the spot where I'm gonna show you guys the car and everything. And yeah, just stay tuned, man. On another note, Jeep just got clean. Look how clean this thing is. It's got that brand new white paint, damn near. 2012 rocking some clean paint. Crazy. We got a different tire on the back, but that's just because them shits are expensive, bro. I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all, we are in the car. I don't know if you guys are able to tell by the seats what type of car we're in, but I'm about to go to the spot to show you guys. I'll give you a nice little hint. This is what the mirror looks like. Ooh, orange. I wonder what it is, y'all. I wonder what it is. I'm excited to show y'all, though. Very blessed and happy to show y'all, so I'm gonna hop right into it right now. All right, y'all, we're over at the spot. I'm right out of church just because it's a nice parking lot near my house. And honestly, the car looks really good over here. And there's a nice little cool spot. I might pull the car over to take some flicks of it for TikTok and for the gram and stuff. Oh, I just showed y'all the car. All right, let me stop playing. I'm gonna go ahead, hop into this so I can finally show you guys what we are introducing to the channel and into my life. So I'm excited. All right, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Whoo, a nice 2002 BMW Z3 3.0. There's the 2.0, the 2.5 and all that, but lucky enough to get our hands on a beautiful 3.0 Z3. And yes, it has a temp tag. It's literally pretty much brand new when it comes to having been owned by one singular person. So anyway, y'all, this is the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door. It is a convertible, so I'll show you all the convertible going down. But anyway, this is the interior. We got the black trim, followed by the white leather accents, my water bottle, the white leather accents. And of course, we got the brown, the brown wooden trim as well. So it's really nice looking. We also have Haynes tooth or cocoa floor mats, and yeah, it's red, but it matches well enough. Like, you really can't tell once the doors are shut and everything. So these are the wheels right here. They are original tires, so new tires do have to be put on soon. I definitely do want to get rid of that gap right there, though. I won't lie to y'all. But other than that, this car is fucking sexy, bro. I put black reflectors in the front. Need to get ones for right there and the back. But other than that, she looks good. She looks really, really nice. I'm about to hop up into a POV drive for y'all, though. I just want to show you guys underneath the hood and everything, and then we're going to go ahead, hop up into a nice drive. But anyway, this is the front fitment. It looks really good, man. The wheels are really nice. I really like the rims and the tires, and obviously the rims, tires make it a pair of wheels, y'all. Obviously, we're not fucking dumb here. I won't lie to y'all, though. It's definitely like a German Miata, like on some shit. I won't lie. It's definitely giving me German Miata vibes, which isn't a bad thing, but obviously it's a 225 horsepower Miata, so with a straight 6. This is the other side. Yes, it is in fact a 5-speed. Forgot to tell y'all, and I know I'm not in gear right now. I just peeped. I actually just learned how to drive manual, so it's pretty exciting. And of course, yeah, you got the clutch pedal followed by the other mats over here. But I'm gonna just go ahead, grab that, and we'll hop up over here. And the release is actually right underneath here, right there. So lift that up, and of course you see the nice, beautiful M54 engine. M, not N, M. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'll drop that shit on the video so y'all can, you know, obviously see. But yeah, it is in fact Hellrot 2. Very nice color. This color comes on the E36s and E46s, and it obviously comes over on the Z3 because the Z3 is a 2002, so it's right around the same year and everything. But anyway, back to the engine. The engine bay is in beautiful, beautiful, beautiful condition, man. It's a brand new car. Now keep in mind, this engine only has, and this whole car in general only has 16,000 miles. So it is a very, very, very basically brand new car. I have put a total of 1,000 miles on it. I actually hit 1,000 miles yesterday that I've accumulated on it. But I also didn't want to like show y'all me driving and shit until I was ready. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera. I also didn't want to drive when I wasn't good at driving manual yet because I just learned how to drive manual. So instead, we are doing it this way, man. So I'm excited. I've had the car for about a month. I gotta go get it registered. Gonna put a custom plate on it. I'm thinking, give me some suggestions what you guys think I should do with the plate. Now that's the first customization, I guess you could say, that we're gonna be really doing to this thing over here. But if you guys have any suggestions for the plate, let me know, because I'm more than excited and more than happy to really just bring this thing to the channel and cruise around in this thing. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is real quick, I'm gonna put the hood back down and I'm gonna show you guys. God damn. See, I don't really know the best place for me to pull it down from. I think I'm gonna start using it from here, but it is really nice just how like solid this car is compared to the newer ones. Like the newer ones are just like hella plasticky, you know? Like this, you just, and that wasn't even hard. That just sounded hard because it's a solid ass car. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, hop up in here. All right, y'all, we are finally hopping up in here. I'm gonna turn the car on. I'm gonna show you guys how the roof works and everything, and I'll get some shots of the outside and everything. Gonna let her nice little prime up a little bit, get started and everything. And yes, this is a 3.0. This is like, I guess you could say it's like the step down from the M when it comes to the Z3. So there's a Z3 M Roadster, and then this is the next step down, which is the Z3 3.0 liter. So yeah, pretty cool. So I mean, the only difference is the M Roadster has an S52 in it, or 54, and this has an M52 or 54. I'm not sure. So it's just a little bit different. It's really pretty much the same thing though. But anyway, first of all, you start here, boom. God damn, what the fuck? And then you go boom over here. That one really snapped out. What the fuck? And then you just have to pop this up a little bit. Hey, white Jeep went by. You just got to pop that up a bit, and then you just go ahead and hit this thing. Wait, hold up. Oh yeah, I gotta put your foot on the brake, and then you drop the top so the bitches can drop the. I'm gonna let y'all finish that for the one time, man. But anyway, y'all, this is the car. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the top down, because it really is a fun car. Like, I gotta definitely bring this out to a meet sometime soon. I'll definitely still bring it out stock. Definitely bring it out with the paper plate on. You know what I'm saying? The paper plate always be looking good. But anyway, y'all, look at this car, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous interior. It's in beautiful shape. To be honest, for a 21-year-old car, this car is like brand spanking new. And this fly keeps hanging out with me, bro. Like, leave me alone. All right, but anyway, we're gonna hop up in the car. Now that I showed you guys it, I'm gonna put the top back up, and next video we will definitely have the top down for the cruise. I'm gonna go ahead and get the GoPro ready and everything, and then we're gonna be on our way to having a nice little fun POV drive for the one time. Nice little chill POV drive, man. So I'm excited. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so anyway, we are in fact in the Z3. I don't have the head mount on yet, but I'm gonna put it on once before we get on to the nice little fun road that we're gonna be going on. So once we get on that, you feel me, I'm gonna put on the head mount that I got over there, and we're gonna be enjoying our time. So it's fun driving manual. I know a lot of y'all understand it, at least. Like, shifting is so much fun. That was just a nice little shift in the fifth for fun. And now I'm putting that shit in neutral, and we are just coasting to that goddamn stop sign, man. So, no car, we're chilling. And, oh yeah, them fucking no-handed shifts. Woo, stop playing with me. Yes, sir. Woo, I almost went into the other lane, but it's all good, baby. And we almost got macked into it. Like, nice. No bullshit. Yeah. Stop playing with me. Y'all already know what type of timing I'm on in this thing. I'm on BD. It's like, nah, I'm just playing. Nah, it's fun to whip this little thing around, I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, I'm gonna drive to the spot and I'm gonna switch to the POV for y'all. Hey man, we are in this motherfucker. We are cruising right now. That's the other GoPro, by the way, that y'all were just on. We got some crazy ass storm clouds behind us. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, man, we are cruising in the Z3, and I'm really excited to make some content out of this car with y'all, or make some content with y'all out of this car. And just let me know like what you guys would want to see in this car as opposed to the other cars, you know, because this one more of a cruiser and stuff, so you know, it's a little bit of fun. Hey, we got a nice old BMW gang. Yes sir. Convertible 325. Yes sir. I should really be having the top down right now, but I don't. Like, the front end is really nice. It did have a front license plate cover, but we decided to take it off just because, I don't know, I asked my dad for his opinion. He said that he thinks it looks better that way. This is the back end. Back end's really nice. We still have a temp tag on it. There's no problem with having a temp tag on a car. It looks better with the temp tag, if I'm gonna be honest. So it was a nice M550. That was sweet. Yeah, it's good vibes today, I guess. So anyway, we're gonna go hop up into the car and just get a nice little POV going for y'all. I don't know, I'm excited. This is my first time driving this thing with y'all, man, so we're gonna see. If you guys wanted to know where I was stopped to, I'm stopped at a church right now. So all right, y'all, here we go. We're starting up in the Z, not the 2, I'm tripping, but I'm excited. So here we go, y'all. Let me know what you guys think of this road. I'll bring the 2 back for sure. Yeah, stop playing. If you guys hear the clunkiness of the trans, it's because it's a BMW, and it's also an older BMW, so there's not really much you can do. Shit, I hit this turn fast as fuck. There's just not really much you can do about the clunky transmission, but we're out here in the Z finally, bro. Wow, I feel amazing, bro. Holy shit, we're in 5th on the back roads. Wow, man. Wow, what a great feeling. All right, there we go. Nice little bike passing us on the back roads. Fire. Wow, this is a fun car for the back roads, man. Holy shit, we should have stopped there and looked at the car on the phone. That's what we're doing. That's what we're gonna be doing instead. Oh shit, that was a bump and a half. I know y'all saw that. Damn, my bad. I was paying attention to the window. I'm just gonna take off this for a second so I can talk to y'all. Do I try to take this on a trip, right? And run a risk of it breaking down but having more fun? No tints though. Or do I take the 2? Maybe take the 2. This only has 16,000 miles and it's 21 years old. So, but it would be a fun car to take on a trip. So y'all let me know if you guys want to see that trip. That might be fun. But if y'all don't want to see that trip, let me know, because I can just take the, I'm happy to take the 2. I don't care. This is gonna be a longer video today, so I mean, I hope you guys are enjoying the longer video. Nice little station wagon. I know y'all see that. And a Maserati. It's good vibes today, like I said, man. We're gonna go hop on this other little farm road, so to speak, and then we're gonna hit a red light, and then I'm gonna slide over to the grocery store to grab some food. So we might get a highway POV today, but I'm not gonna promise you a highway POV. Nice little farm to the right, I mean to the left. AC's off, and we are cruising. I'm going in here, I don't care. It's way too cool of a little spot, bro. How could I not? The fuck? Like, this shit is sick. I don't care. Nope, like not getting no power steering compared to being used to a little bit of power steering sometimes be tough, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. Just kind of nice to finally get out with it and record some actual good content for you guys, because I feel like sometimes the content don't be good, and I feel like I don't give y'all enough driving content as I should. But being a car YouTuber, I feel like I just tend to give y'all car meat content, and I want to drive. I actually enjoy driving. I love to drive. So yeah, this is the Z. This is truly the driver's car, if I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna turn the wheel for a picture on my phone. But I saw this cool spot over there. It'd be really nice, but I'm gonna just take use of this this big old tree, man. Look how nice, bro. Wow, bro. Damn. All right, so we just went on the highway and I missed all of the recording, y'all, so I'm kind of tight. But at least, I mean, hey, at least you guys got some good content from the back roads and whatever this traffic content's about to be. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still here and you're watching this, then you made it to the end of the video. And if you did, I really do appreciate you, because without you, I wouldn't have made this video. So you made that possible for me. But anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera one sec. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed making it, and you know, it was a lot of fun. I got home a little bit ago. I've just been chilling. Sun is gonna be going down soon, so straight vibing now. But she's nice and cooled down, and I'll definitely be making some videos with this, just because this is kind of like my scrapbook at this point. Like, I'm gonna look back at these videos and be like, damn, like, look what I was doing when I was 21. I was having the time of my life type shit, you know? So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go get to editing this video, upload it for you, and then I'm gonna be back with some more vlogs in the future. But anyway, here's the nice last shot of the interior from the passenger side. So it's pretty nice over here. Just got the curb stompers on today. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the driving. Hope you guys enjoyed the nice little sesh we had. Hope you guys enjoyed just the different style content today. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.